Smith. I'm the founder and CEO of Prenda. Our goal is to bring computer programming to kids at libraries and schools all over the United States. I'm going to show you just real quick the software that we've created that we offer as an annual subscription along with training and support. Basically, imagine an 8-year-old girl, for example, coming to the public library wanting to learn computer programming. She attends a weekly code club. It's a meeting of kids her age, and logs into this software. So you can see quickly, I skipped the login screen, but you can see her dashboard that she's working from. She has on the left various, tasks, objectives that she's trying to work on. So right now she's on a JavaScript starter level. You can see we're using, platforms and tools all over the internet to, help her solidify the foundations of JavaScript. So as she does these various tutorials and she is progressing, basically the flow at Code Club as she goes to the library will be to do one of these, raise your hand and work with the facilitator, which is a librarian or a volunteer who will come over and sign her off with the code. At that point, she just finished her her first level. She's completed the JavaScript. She's on to artist, which is a different thing. So that's kind of the general flow, and there's multiple levels in here using all kinds of platforms. As she's doing that, she can also choose to build a project. So for example, if the class wanted to work on a replica of the old Asteroids game, she could do that. There's some basic instructions of what to do here, but basically, it's up to her. And suppose she comes over and decides to make one in JavaScript and CSS, HTML, for example, this one, and I'm having probably too much fun playing. This I didn't make, this is someone else's online, but as she does that, she could then come back, so take the link from the project that she's created, come back here and submit it, and then this is, blow up the asteroids, turns in the link, and again, that you wouldn't do to someone else's link, but that's just a demonstration of how it works. What's fun about that then is that she can come over here and there's a list of everybody's projects from her group, so she can see what everyone's made and play other people's games, Austin's version of Asteroid. The other thing, just quickly, is she can come over here and see the progress of everyone else in her group. So, seeing where everyone else is at, how long they've been coding, how many tasks they've completed, things like that. So the idea here is make it social, fun, and mostly make it really, really easy for the facilitator, the librarian, or the teacher at the school to be able to run this. And with that, I'm going to turn this off.